Fossil fuels. They are the energy source that powers our modern world. These fuels come from the remains of ancient life, buried deep within the earth for millions of years. Over time, these remains undergo incredible transformations, becoming the coal, oil, and natural gas we rely on today. Millions of years ago, the Earth was a very different place. Lush forests covered vast areas, teeming with life. In the oceans, tiny plants and animals flourished in enormous numbers. When these organisms died, they sank to the bottom of seas or were buried under layers of mud and sand. Over time, these layers grew thicker and heavier, exerting immense pressure on the organic matter trapped below. The weight of these layers, combined with heat from the Earth's core, transformed the ancient plant and animal remains. This slow, natural process is how fossil fuels are formed. There are three main types of fossil fuels: coal, oil, and natural gas. Coal is a solid fossil fuel formed from ancient plant matter. It is often found in layers beneath the Earth's surface. Oil, also known as petroleum, is a liquid fossil fuel. It is formed from the remains of tiny marine organisms. Natural gas, as its name suggests, is a gaseous fossil fuel. It is often found trapped in pockets above oil deposits. All three of these fossil fuels are valuable sources of energy. Section 4. Fossil fuels today powering our modern world. Fossil fuels play a critical role in our lives. They power our homes, fuel our vehicles, and drive our industries. We use them to generate electricity, heat our homes, and manufacture a wide range of products. From the cars we drive to the clothes we wear, fossil fuels are essential to our modern way of life. However, our dependence on fossil fuels comes at a cost. Their extraction and use have significant environmental consequences. Section 5. The need for change, environmental impact, and sustainable alternatives. Burning fossil fuels releases harmful pollutants into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. The extraction process can also damage ecosystems and pollute water sources. It is clear that we need to find cleaner, more sustainable ways to power our planet. Scientists and engineers are working hard to develop renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower. These technologies offer a promising path towards a cleaner, more sustainable energy future.